What are we gonna find today? Let's go outside and play. What do you think it will be? Come along with the Trail Tots and see.
Trail Tots! Hey!
Hey!
Man, these woods are sure growing up.
I know. Did you know that you can plant trees?
You could plant all kinds of things.
Do you want to learn about planting and think about all the different things we can plant?
I do. Let's go. Woo! Oh, I found something. Can you plant a boot? No!
Can you plant a tree? Yeah, you can plant trees. In fact, you can plant them almost anywhere.
I found something in a tree. What? You know who this is? Can you plant Minnie Mouse? No!
I found something else. Can you plant a rubber ducky? No! I found something!
Me too!
Oh!
I found potatoes!
A carrot!
Can you plant carrots and potatoes?
Did you know that carrots and potatoes actually grow underground? And yes, you can plant them. These are actually their roots.
Are they good?
They're so good, and they're so orange. Can you plant grass? Yeah! I love grass. And I also love running around in it barefoot. Feels so good. Hey, for those of you that don't live in the woods, you can actually plant a tree in a pot. I'll show you how. First, you take your tree, trim the roots. It's perfectly fine to trim the roots before you plant it. Then, you got your tree, you dig your hole. Now you want dirt from your yard, not dirt that you buy from the store. You then put the tree root in the hole. Make sure your hole's a little bigger than your tree. Oh yeah. Oh, make sure you get the roots all the way underground. It's very important. Then pack our soil in. We're gonna need a little more soil. And then you water. Oh man, wasn't this fun? It's that easy to plant a tree in a pot. Remember, plants really need three main things: soil, water, and most importantly, sunlight. Through photosynthesis, that's how plants create their energy. Do you guys want to sing a song about planting that will help you remember all of these things? Yeah, let's go!
Some things grow really tall,
Like trees!
and some things grow really small.
Like grass!
Some things grow nice and round,
Tomatoes?
and some things grow from underground.
Carrots? And potatoes?
Hey, come with us, we'll show you all. You can make plants grow really tall. They just need three main things: sun, and soil, and water like rain. The roots spread out and the leaves get big.
How big?
Plants up the earth, I'm telling you kids.
Really?
we'll show you the Trail Tot way.
Trail Tots!
Hey, come with us, we'll show you all. You can make plants grow really tall. They just need three main things: sun, soil, and water like rain.
Now let's plant some trees.
We're gonna plant something in a bucket.
Whoa! Can you spot the mushroom? Actually, there's two. One and two. These are actually morel mushrooms. They only come out in the spring, and you can actually eat them.
Hey, hopefully you learned something about planting today.
That's right. Remember, plants only need three main things to grow and thrive: sun, soil, and water.
Hey, now that you know what they need, get outside this spring and plant something yourself.
And if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.
And until next time, get outside and play!
Trail Tot!